Hello everyone on the YouTube. This video is probably good for either professional auto mechanics or do-it-yourselfers. You probably saw many other videos how to change the how to fix the leak on Chevy HHR, and it's a 2.4 engine, very common on many GM cars from 2000 and up. And this particular is actually Chevy HHR, as you see, and it's got a 2.4 Ecotec. And I just wanted to point out, you probably saw many other videos of other people trying to fix that leak, and this is actually not the hardest task I ever seen. And all you have to do is just change those two O-rings right here, gaskets that is between the engine block and the oil cooler. The oil cooler is right here, and there is 3 bolts that attaching the oil cooler to the oil filter housing. It's one of them. The other bolt is just difficult to see. It's right behind the oil cooler. Gonna try to make put some view for it. It's very difficult to see. And not that one. It's actually right behind. I don't know. You can see if you can see it now. It's that 10mm bolt right behind it, and the other one, it's just physically impossible for me to show it to you. But you can get the access for it if you have small fingers. And just want to move the harness. And all you need is a straight 1/4" extension and a 1/4" swivel socket, and you get right underneath of it. And by feel, by using your fingers, you kind of put that socket on top of that bolt. It's also 10mm bolt, but it's right in the corner above the transmission, below the filter housing, and you just turn it with the 1/4" ratchet and take it out. And those O-rings is pretty simple, straightforward to replace. You probably saw it in other videos of other guys. And that's about it. And these are just part numbers that you need to order from GM. They are not that cheap. I think I paid $17 for one of them and $13 for the other, something like that. Here's the part numbers again. There's one, and that's the other one. And that's about it. Thank you very much. It's just hopefully this 5 minutes video will help everyone to handle this job. Okay, have a good day, and hopefully we'll see you again, and you'll see my video next time. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.